Hello everyone, and welcome to my Sister Wives Gossip YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribers button and give this video a thumbs up. According to court documents obtained by the U.S. Sun, Meri's current boyfriend, Amos Andrews, had significant financial troubles 2 years prior to meeting her. Meri, 53, announced her new relationship with Andrews on social media on January 16, following her split from ex-Meri Brown. According to court documents obtained by The Sun, the Salt Lake City resident was married 4 times before beginning his relationship with the Sister Wives star in October 2023. His most recent marriage was with Jennifer Andrews. They were married on September 7, 2016 in Arizona, and she filed for divorce on March 18, 2021 in Utah. Jennifer filed for divorce citing irreconcilable differences, alleging they experienced difficulties that cannot be reconciled and have prevented the parties from pursuing a viable marital relationship. The speedy divorce, likely because they didn't have children together, was finalized on April 28, 2021. According to the findings of facts document received by the U.S. Sun, their personal property was distributed fairly. Jennifer received her 2020 GMC Terrain, and Amos, 55, received his 1996 Ford Expedition and 2019 Cadillac XTS. Neither party received alimony, and each was paying for their own attorney's fees. They were directed to pay all debts in their respective names. Her debts reached $15,380, and his debts totaled $17,372. This included Chase credit card, $2,583, Kaiser's Reward credit card, $3,657, Discover credit card, $1,677, PayPal credit card, $1,317, PayPal credit, $614, RC Wiley account, $780, HSBC credit card, $2,290, Merrick Bank credit card, $900, Credit One credit card, $1,337, and Integra credit loan, $2,217. In addition, their combined debt was divided, with Jennifer accountable for $5,462.50 and Amos responsible for $3,470.50. This raises his personal and joint debt to a total of $20,842.50. Settlement. The findings of fact document that was filed the same day as the judgment on April 28, 2021, included information about Amos having a personal injury settlement. At the time, he expected to get the compensation soon. It is unclear what the precise damage is or how much he was awarded, but he was ordered to give Jennifer 50% of the entire monies he received. According to the court documents, the judge also issued restraining orders against both parties, ordering them not to try, threaten, or perpetrate domestic violence against one another. This involves stalking, harassing, and physically hurting one another. They must maintain cordial conversation with each other. They are also prohibited from entering the other party's residence without written permission and from accessing each other's electronic accounts. The U.S. Sun has contacted Amos and Jennifer for comment. FaceTimes the charm. Aside from his marriage to Jennifer, Amos was previously married 3 times. Meri appears to be only aware of 3 marriages, as he stated in a recent Instagram live that he has 3 ex-wives. His first marriage was with Tracy Smith Lang. It is unclear when they married, but their divorce was formalized in 1994 when the decree was signed. The couple has 2 children, Cody, 36, and Cristina, 35. Amos' second marriage was to Shannon Marie Martin, and they have a daughter named Tiffany, who is now 26 years old. They married in Las Vegas on February 18, 1995, when he was 26 and she was 18, and Shannon filed for divorce in August 2000. After their divorce was finalized, the couple became entangled in a vicious child support dispute for years. According to the United States Sun, Amos was accused of failing to pay child support for 7 years and child costs for 12 years. His third marriage was with Cristin Andrews. Cristin and Amos married in Arizona in March 2002, and his ex filed for divorce in June 2004, claiming their marriage was irretrievably ruined with no realistic possibility of reconciliation. Amos's past. One of Amos' 4 ex-wives recently spoke with The Sun about his alleged controlling conduct and obsession with reality television personalities. The ex stated, "He knows Meri. He saw the show while we lived in Las Vegas. He wanted to find where she lives, so he knows who she is." Prior to 2019, the TV personality lived in Las Vegas with her now ex-sister wives, Robin, Janelle, and Cristin, as well as her ex Cody. The ex went on to say that he's a opportunistic who may be looking for someone for a payday. She is unclear of his present career, but claims that he worked many jobs. Meri, who has a contract with sister wives and owns a bed and breakfast, is estimated to be worth $400,000 by Celebrity Net Worth. The unidentified woman also said that he is narcissistic and that she was shocked that he went after someone with Meri's level of celebrity because of his personality. Meri's mother had astonishingly left no will for her 5 heirs. Meri's mother, Bonnie Joyce Barber, died unexpectedly on March 26, 2021, at the age of 76 years. Bonnie is survived by her 5 children: Meri, Adam Barber, Elaine Jensen, Rebecca Diltz, and Deborah Bronson. Adam, however, died on October 5, 2023, after a 10-month battle with pancreatic cancer. Bonnie had another son, Mark William Barber, who died tragically in March 2015 at the age of 47. Meri had discreetly filed a petition for determining heirs and appointing a personal representative for her late mother's estate in April 2021 after learning Bonnie had not left a will. According to court documents obtained exclusively by the U.S. Sun, the 53-year-old assessed her mother's estate to be worth $50,000. Without going into detail, Meri stated that her best estimate of the value of the property possessed by Bonnie was $50,000. In August 2021, the judge formally appointed the sister wife star as the estate's personal representative. This included Bonnie's checking and savings accounts, as well as the worth of her car. However, the obligations and liabilities exceeded the limit, totaling $21,644.58. This included a car loan, funeral and burial costs, and the probate court filing fee. It is unclear whether the assets were used to satisfy the debts and responsibilities, but it can only be presumed that they were. As a result, the total wealth remaining in Bonnie's estate was deemed insolvent. In a ruling dated October 5, 2021, the court stated, Meri Caroline Brown, by and through her attorney, Brandon Merrill of Utah Homicide Survivors, do hereby state that after gathering the assets of the estate of Bonnie Joyce Barber, it has been determined insolvent. Lessons from a lawyer. Abby Farnsworth, a Utah lawyer who specializes in estate planning and probate, spoke with The Sun about Meri's situation. Without knowing Meri's true motivation for filing, whether she believed she would receive a portion of the assumed $50,000 wealth or not, she stated, "I can't speak to her intentions, but simply seeking appointment as personal representative does not entitle you to any portion of the decedent's estate. It actually requires you to take responsibility for settling and distributing the estate to the heirs in accordance with the laws for an intestate succession that apply." Abby also clarified what the term insolvent meant, which was the estate's final ruling. The term insolvent simply indicates that all of the debts and obligations exceed the available funds. So the debts and liabilities exceed the total value of what was in her bank account, or the total value of the assets that the decedent had when she died, she said. When asked if additional money may be coming in now that Meri is the personal representative, Abby responded only if there was a certain asset that she was unaware of, but it's unlikely any more money would be coming in, especially given the time that's passed at this point. Overall, Abby described this case as very straightforward, and there's almost nothing unusual about it, including any unpleasant fights between Meri and her brothers. Thanks for watching if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss any updates.